Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 1966 Honda CB160. This is Honda's entry-level street bike, standard motorcycle. This bike has an upgraded CL175 engine, higher top speed with the 5-speed transmission. This bike has very low miles on it. It only has 6,668 miles on the odometer. This bike runs very good, gone through front to back, has new tires front and rear. Very clean for this age, been restored front to rear, aftermarket shocks. The bike runs very good. Beautiful condition for this age and is priced right at $47.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730